I need wiring diagram for my ztr50 Troy-built Mustang. The PTO switich does not work and they are not available anymore.
Do you have a multimeter or voltage tester? What colors are the wires?
No.
What have you tried so far with your Troy wiring?
Check the switch and the wires in it are burned and broken.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all I have done.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Do you have the model number? 5 or 6 digits? I have various Troy-built schematics.
Not on hand at the moment. Can you send me a copy of the wiring? It's a 2008 model.
https://www.partstree.com/parts/troy-built/mower 0 turn lawn mower/17 of KCP011 Troy-built 50 Mustang XP 0 turn mower 2013/wiring schematic/.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.